they have an implicitly Abrahamic monotheistic view of AI, right? Why? They think of it as like, oh my God, it's going to turn us all into paper clips, like the vengeful God turning us into pillars of salt, right? Because they think of it as one AGI, right? This is also how like Dario or others talk about it, like the one AGI, make a big push to get the one thing. Whereas what I always thought about it as is polytheistic AGI, war of the gods, not one God, right? And very early on, I actually, you can see my tweets, I was like, we're going to at least have 2 and maybe 3 AIs, because there'll be the Western AI, there'll be the Chinese AI, and if we're lucky, we'll get the decentralized Bitcoin-like AI, right? Which will be trained on everything, trained on all the Sci-Hub, LibGen, open source type stuff, every song, the Napster that you couldn't train in a centralized way, all the copyrighted stuff, right? The YOLO AI might be the smartest AI, right? And it might have the least capital, but it might be the smartest. I still think that might be true, right? What I didn't expect was the Chinese AI would also be open source. That was actually the twist outcome, right? But that's played out as we've thought. Like essentially the non-obvious thing about AI is there's actually a lot of high quality models and a lot of high quality open source models, which is counterintuitive because they're so expensive to make. So that means that the concept of like a single AGI is off. Instead, it's going to be something where every society of a sufficient scale has its own AI models of varying qualities, and they'll be playing chess effectively against each other, and they'll
And
consult.